Welcome to ClosetCRM. Let's create your first quote today. Quotes can be created from the Overview section of the project page. You can also do this on the Quotes tab from the main menu. Input your issue date, then select the status of the quote and assign a team member in charge. Add your products or services by clicking the Add Line Item button. As you start typing in the name field, a drop-down of your existing catalog items appears. To update or expand this catalog, simply visit the Products/Services tab in the main menu. Then, of course, input the correct quantity of items. As you scroll down, you'll see an option to apply a discount to the quote, either as a percentage or a fixed dollar amount. Additionally, you can quickly add or remove taxes. Simply click on the tax field to open a drop-down of available tax rates. You can also manage these rates in the Manage Taxes tab in the main menu. Finally, you can add internal notes and upload any necessary files up to 30 megabytes. You can upload 10 at a time from your computer or also pull files from links, Facebook, Instagram, or Google Drive. Once you've reviewed the details, click Save Quote, and voila, your first quote is ready. You can easily email the quote right from the quote details page. Before sending, you can add extra recipients, CC or BCC others, and edit the subject line or email body. You can also update the default look of the quote email as well as other email and text templates to better match your brand and communication style. You can opt to send a copy of the quote to your own email address too. Lastly, you can attach any last-minute files to ensure everything is complete before sending the email. Clicking the Add Files button will route you back to the Quotes page so you can upload your files, then save the updates before hitting the email button again to finally send your quote. The client will then receive a clean, professional-looking email with a link to view the quote in the client portal. Hitting the Approve button, the client will see the legal text and a signature field where they can review and approve everything in one place. Once the quote is approved, the client can also download a PDF copy in the quote details. If, for example, a client gives approval verbally or over the phone, you or a teammate can also finalize it by clicking Approve in the top right corner and entering the relevant details along with the approver's name. Now that we have an approved quote, get ready to invoice the client soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.